my YouTube channel got monetized, everything about my YouTube channel was changed to low engagement. In fact, I was totally frustrated about everything on my YouTube channel. And here, I'm going to share you my experience and how I face this solution. So if you actually want to enjoy this content, please make sure you watch this video to the end and don't skip any part of these videos, because I know many YouTubers are actually going through this same. Your algorithm or your YouTube channel or your videos are not going to get engagement. If you are facing this issue like me, make sure you pay close attention, especially small YouTubers who are actually going through this frustration. So without wasting much time, let's dive into this. You're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Just like what I said, that I'm going to share with you my experience, how I was monetized, and everything on my YouTube channel totally changed. From low views, low engagement, everything was a drama to me. I nearly give up to my YouTube channel, but when I look at my channel and I say no, I will never give up. And if you are still facing this issue on your YouTube channel, I believe after watching this video, I'm about to explain to you how I was able to fix my YouTube channel from low views, from low engagement, and started ranking my YouTube videos with a lot of competitors. If you put these kind of strategies that I'm about to explain to you in this video, your channel is going to start getting recommendation. Your videos will start getting views, and you will start getting subscribers and see the same result that I'm actually showing you on my YouTube channel. Now, I'll start with two of my videos on my YouTube channel that actually got my channel monetized. So this is how it happens. I uploaded a video. I created a video about how you can read someone's WhatsApp chat message about your loved one, your husband, your girlfriend. If you have a girlfriend that is cheating on you, actually cheating on you, or your husband or your wife, this is how you're going to read their conversation without them knowing. To be surprised, this video actually ranked one of the best videos on my YouTube channel. This is not the only video, but it's the only video that have ever got almost this kind of views on my YouTube channel. And this is how I was monetized. And one of my videos was about a review product. I review a product about this, and my videos and the video was recommended, and I started getting a lot of views. And in a space of few months, my channel was monetized. Congratulations to me, and I believe this is what you're actually praying for. But this is not the end. After monetization, there are a lot you need to learn, because monetization is just a starting point of YouTube. There are many people that are already monetized, but views is a really problem to their YouTube channel. They are monetized, but they are not really getting views on their YouTube channel. No money, they are not earning anything, because once you start getting views, your earning will also increase. And this was the same thing that got me stuck. After monetization, my YouTube channel stopped performing very well. Whenever I upload videos, I get stuck on 50 views, 100 views, 200 views, 1000 views. And these have already frustrated me. But I'm going to share you some of my experience that I go through that actually helped me to start getting recommendation. Now, I go into ChatGTP and I ask ChatGTP that, well, I want you to be my coach by directing me on how to start ranking my videos on my YouTube channel, by explaining what actually affect my YouTube channel. So this is what I told ChatGTP. I challenged ChatGTP by asking him that I want him to be my coach, that my YouTube channel is no longer performing very well after monetization. So I'm going to drop the script on what I told ChatGTP and the result that ChatGTP gave to me, the recommendation, and my failure. What actually happened after my monetization? ChatGPT explained to me in more details because I told ChatGPT that I want him to be my coach and my grow YouTube strategy. So ChatGPT explained everything to me about my YouTube channel, and I also share a link about my YouTube channel. So he go deep into my YouTube channel and analyze what was what I was doing that is wrong, my mistakes, and he corrected me on how to fix them. And he gave me recommendation videos that I should start creating, and which I'm showing you guys on this video. So now, in another way that I got stuck is because I diverted from the videos that I actually creating on my YouTube channel into all these things that ChatGPT recommended to me, and I started implementing these tools or these strategies, and I started seeing result on my YouTube channel. So if you actually want to see result just like the way I started seeing result on my YouTube channel, I'm going to leave these prompts on the description of this video so that you can actually use it to chat ChatGPT. And just what you should do is just restructure these prompts again according to your YouTube channel, and then ChatGPT is going to analyze your YouTube channel by telling you some of the things that you are doing wrong on your YouTube channel, and is going to correct you and give you some tips that is going to help you to grow your YouTube channel and also start getting recommendations, and the algorithm will start ranking your videos. Remember, once the algorithm started ranking your videos, views will start getting to your videos. Without the algorithm ranking your videos, there is no how that you're going to start getting views. Monetization is not only the thing that a YouTuber should pray for. You should also be praying for views, because after monetizations, you will also go through a lot, because that is where the challenges started. The challenges that every YouTuber face is after monetization. Now, after monetization, what happens to a YouTube channel? Your YouTube channel may either get stuck, either from 0 views to nothing.